Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining the objective: retirement, emergency growth, or a specific goal. Then decide a contribution amount like 00 and a frequency such as weekly, biweekly, or monthly. Choose a target account: taxable brokerage, IRA traditional, or Roth IRA, because tax treatment changes choice and contribution limits. Gather your bank routing number and account number before you log in so the transfer setup is fast. Also decide whether to buy a mutual fund, ETF, or set up automatic buys of specific stocks. Log in to Fidelity. And open the account where you want contributions, using multi-factor authentication for security. From the account page, select Automatic Investments or Recurring Transfers and enter the amount and frequency, for example 00 monthly or 0 biweekly. Choose the investment vehicle: specific mutual fund with a 0 minimum or an ETF to buy whole shares. Set dividend reinvestment to on if you want fractional shares reinvested. Authorize transfers from your linked bank and confirm the scheduled date, amount, and fund selection before you save the plan, because mistaken dates or symbols can route money incorrectly. Monitor monthly statements and performance and adjust contributions or funds. Increase amounts gradually, such as a 1% raise every quarter or a set 5 boost. Turn on email or mobile alerts for failed transfers or low cash balance to avoid missed buys. If needed, pause or cancel automatic investments through the same Automatic Investments page, or change the bank linked to the plan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.